If you want to set custom notification sound on the Samsung Galaxy A26 5G, start by opening this application, My Files, just like this. And right now, all you have to do is just to find your sound. So in my case, I will gonna search for it in the audio files, and I would like to set this song, Over the Horizon. So I have to click and hold it, basically select. And now I want to copy that into the different folder. So we have to go into internal storage right here, and we have to search for notifications. Tap on it and select copy here. Now let me quickly show you how it actually works. Go to the settings, move into sounds and vibration, select notification sound, and when you are here and scroll at the top of the list, you can find your custom notification sound just right here. As you can see, we are at the notification sound, and we have to simply select it.